Welcome to this guided meditation for clarity and focus. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to feel overwhelmed or scattered. Our minds often juggle numerous tasks, responsibilities, and worries. But through meditation, we can find a space of tranquility and steer our energy towards a clear and purposeful direction. This practice will serve as a gentle reminder that with a few moments of intention, you can reset, recharge, and realign. Settle into a comfortable space. It can be a cozy corner of your room, a favorite chair, or even a spot outside where you feel connected to nature. Sit or lay down comfortably, ensuring that your spine is straight but not strained. If seated, plant your feet firmly on the ground, feeling the earth beneath you. Gently close your eyes, creating a soft curtain between you and the outside world. Shift your awareness to your breath. Notice the cool air entering your nostrils as you inhale, and the warm air leaving as you exhale. Don't force or change anything. Simply observe. Breathe in deeply, drawing in a sense of peace and calm. Feel your lungs expand with this energy. And then exhale slowly, letting go of any tension or doubts you might have carried into this moment. Imagine these doubts transforming into wisps of smoke, dissipating into the air. Imagine roots growing from the base of your spine or feet, delving deep into the earth below. These roots anchor you, providing stability and grounding. Every time you breathe out, you release any remaining unease or restlessness into these roots, letting the earth absorb and neutralize them. With every breath cycle, feel the duality, the inhalation bringing peace and the exhalation removing tension. Allow your body to respond, releasing stiffness from your forehead, softening your eyes, relaxing your jaw, and easing your shoulders away from your ears. Experience this cascading relaxation flowing down all the way to the tips of your toes. By now, your body should feel lighter and your mind quieter, setting the stage for the clarity and focus to come. Now that you're settled in this space of calmness, let's venture into the heart of today's practice. Cultivating clarity and focus. Visualize yourself standing at the edge of a beautiful, expansive meadow. The air is crisp, and the sky above is a brilliant shade of blue, clear of any clouds. This meadow represents the open landscape of your mind, ready to be filled with purpose and intention. At the center of this meadow, there's a single large magnifying glass standing upright. Walk towards it, feeling the soft grass beneath your step. As you approach the magnifying glass, recognize it as the tool of clarity and focus, ready to bring things into sharper perspective and illuminate what truly matters. Stand in front of this magnifying glass and look through it. Instantly, you notice how it brings forward distinct, clear images from the seemingly vast emptiness of the meadow. These clear images represent your goals, intentions, and the tasks at hand, each one significant and waiting for your attention. Take a moment to observe each image or vision that comes into focus. Allow yourself to connect deeply with them. What are they showing you? What tasks or goals are most significant to you today? Absorb their essence. Allow them to imprint upon your consciousness. Take a deep breath in, and as you do, visualize a golden light emanating from these images. This light represents the energy and determination you'll carry with you. As you exhale, imagine this light surrounding you, merging with your essence, readying you to tackle each task with precision and purpose. Continue this breathing pattern, inhaling the energy from your focused intentions, and exhaling, wrapping yourself in the empowering light of clarity. Remember, the clearer your intentions, the more potent the energy you draw from them. As you imbue yourself with this energy, understand that this magnifying glass is always available to you. Anytime you feel scattered or unsure, remember this meadow and the tool that helps you see with precision and purpose. Stay with this visualization for a few more moments. Soak in the experience. Anchor this newfound clarity deep within your mind. Recognize that with this practice, you're not only identifying what's essential, but also equipping yourself with the focus and energy needed to move forward, making your day not just productive, but also purposeful. As we gently transition from the vast meadow of clarity and focus, it's time to integrate and carry forward all that we've cultivated today. Begin by visualizing the edges of the meadow slowly blurring, making way for the familiar surroundings of your current environment. But even as the meadow fades, the essence of what you've discovered and the energy you've harnessed remains vibrant within you. Take a few moments to reflect on the journey you've just undertaken. Acknowledge the clarity you've brought to your intentions and the focus you've instilled in your mind. This is your gift to yourself, a token of self-love and dedication to your well-being and productivity. Feel the gentle rhythm of your heartbeat, the subtle reminder that with each pulse, you are alive, capable, ready to face the day ahead. Breathe in deeply, inhaling gratitude for this moment. And exhale, releasing any remaining doubt or uncertainty. Slowly start to become aware of the physical sensations around you. The surface you're seated or lying on, the temperature of the room, any sounds in the distance. Allow these sensations to anchor you back to the present moment. Now place one hand on your heart and the other on your stomach. Feel the warmth, the connection, the unity of your being. Silently thank yourself for dedicating this time for personal growth and rejuvenation. When you're ready, and with a gentle smile on your face, flutter your eyes open, greeting the world with a renewed sense of clarity and focus. As you step into your day, carry this awareness with you, letting it guide your actions, decisions, and interactions. Thank you for sharing this journey. May you go forth with clarity, focus, and the undeniable belief in your own potential.